we're going to Hong Kong.
Morning guys, look who's back.
Yay!
Ema. The wife's come back for the vlogs. Only because we're going to Japan and Hong Kong and
How lovely of you to have me
Thailand.
back.
It's okay. It's my pleasure. So exciting times. We're going to get on this flight now. We're flying to Hong Kong today. And we're going to do Disneyland tomorrow. Excited for that?
Bit of a whirlwind, but yeah,
Sure, why not?
it's exciting.
Alright, well let's get straight into it guys. Let's get on the flight. Let's go. Made it to the hotel room. Yes. I'm literally just using the camera as is. No external microphones, nothing. It's too hot to deal with any of that crap right now. We walked about 2 k's to get to this hotel through the terminals. We're here. The smell is smells like a nail salon to me.
It's not pleasant.
No. Anyway, yep, we're going to get changed now, get some food, and we will catch you tomorrow. Where are we going, babe?
I think it's an aircraft over water. Over there.
Really?
See? Is that water?
It is water.
Is that an aircraft?
No, that's just a barge.
Clearly, I don't have my glasses on.
Anyway, where are we going?
Disneyland!
Disney!
Disneyland.
Awesome. Excited. We'll catch you in the morning. Yep.
Later!
You want to slap the camera?
What's slapping the camera?
Just slap it.
Like that?
Just slap it.
Morning.
Morning!
So we're going to Disneyland today.
Yay!
Excited?
Disney!
She's got her little ears on, so she's very excited. Alright, well, let's get straight to it, guys. Next clip is us getting into an Uber to Disney.
The Disney.
Today, Junior.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, we're in the Uber now. Sweet.
Disney!
It's just a parking lot so far.
It's alright. We're close.
Alright, so we made it, so let's go get our tickets and let's go enjoy a full day of Disney magic, the Hong Kong style.
Yep.
I don't know what that style is.
Guess we'll find out.
Alright, let's do it. There's a lot of people. I think we came on a very crowded day. It is a weekend. Oh well, I don't know where else to be. So we made it through the park, even though our tickets had no QR code on it to validate. It's fine. I had to show them my airline roster to get the airline discount.
Good way of doing it.
Yeah, sure. And then we just go explore. All right. Yeah, they're really obsessed with the characters called Duffy and Cookie we've never heard of before. The Disney characters, I've never heard of them.
Asian version of Disney.
Yeah. Crazy. They're tricking you with the smells again, babe. So we came here, you know, you got to get the stereotypical photo of the castle. We didn't read up that they're renovating the castle here in Hong Kong Disney. So this is the view you get. It's over there. There. There you go, babe. Get a photo there. There's a castle photo. Done. Okay guys, first ride of Hong Kong Disney, let's do the Iron Man experience. It's a, was it the first Marvel branded ride here at Disneyland.
Hong Kong. When you reach Stark Tower, you'll be able to safely disembark.
How's that for you, my love?
You needed to take that motion sickness tablet a little bit early, right?
I do Space Mountain now, but I think they've changed this to like a Star Wars style Space Mountain. So I'm going to try and put the GoPro onto a wrist mount. See if they'll accept that. How's that for you?
Yeah.
I think we need to get some food in this one before she throws up on me. So spinny ride then?
Hell no.
We're trying to find popcorn. I found grilled squid. Is that alright?
No.
Eek? No. Okay.
My name is Bush. Hello, welcome to Fantasyland.
Oh, thank you.
Have a good day.
We're going to go see a show, see the Lion King something. Let's go check out the Lion King show and then we'll go do a Small World or something like that. You got ice cream? Camera popcorn? Because it's like an hour wait to get actual lunch. Okay, let's keep exploring.
Onwards.
Onwards. Oh, as Buzz Lightyear would say.
To infinity and beyond.
Never heard him say it like that, but correct, yes. Anyway, let's do it.
And beyond! Because it's playtime!
And your 30 seconds is up. I'm bloody hungry, so we need to find somebody who can serve anything but...
We keep saying this every video. I'm hungry. We need food.
Well, we do. We do need food.
Oh,
We are
my-
hungry.
Are my bunnies skinny?
Yes, that... Your what?
My bunny things?
Bunny. Your ears. Okay, so ever since I saw on Instagram there's like donuts they have here. I wonder how long it's been sitting there for.
All people do is see us eat.
I like Krispy Kremes better. Very disappointed in the food here. Disney's disappointed me with the food. Only in Hong Kong. Hello. Sun's setting now. Thank goodness, it's so bloody hot.
So unenjoyably hot.
Yeah. I'm not sure what to do. We've done everything we wanted to do, really. Except for at Small World. Yep, see, we've done it now. Don't need to do it again. No. So she made me do it.
Yeah.
Can you tell which ride it is just by the music? It's like nightmare stuff. What are you doing now?
Going home, getting some dinner, going to bed before our flight tomorrow morning. To Tokyo! To Disney! In Tokyo!
Such an obliging wife to get on film. Okay, so let's just walk down Main Street and just look at the pretty lights for Christmassy. And that'll end the night, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and
like.
Awesome. See you guys tomorrow when we fly to Tokyo.
Tokyo!